I'm Mrs. McComb, and this is the Media Center.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Kuhn. I'm here at the Media Center. I just want to say hello.
This is where you sign into the Media Center.
This is where you can find lots of great picture books.
This is our nonfiction section of the library.
This is the biography section, and this is where we read books about other people.
Look, it's the graphic novel section. It's my favorite part of the library. You guys should read these books. This is the chapter book section of the Media Center, and my personal favorite book is John
You
Russell.
can even do a puzzle in the Media Center.
Media Center, we use technology to learn more things. Today we're using PowerPoints to let the parents know about what we do at PLE.
We're writing about Hispanic Heritage Month.
And right now, we are playing Codemaster.
Tell us a little about Codemaster, Joshua.
Codemaster is a game that helps you code and helps your problem solving skills.
Is it fun?
Yeah. We film the news crew.
We, the Tigers, inspire each other to learn, grow, and strive for excellence each day.
In the makerspace, you can do your work. You can play games, you can do snap circuits. You can also you can do the puzzle.
You could draw, and you could be creative with things we have around the makerspace.